Alright, hello everybody. Gavin, welcome back to another YouTube video. We got a massive supercell coming in right now. Crazy looking shelf cloud. That's the craziest shelf cloud I've ever seen in my entire life. In person anyway. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing starts producing a tornado very, very soon. Very soon. Violent rotation with it. Violent rotation with it. See the green glow in the storm. That's indication the storm's on. Down here for you guys, see if I can get a better view of the shelf cloud here. This is the most, I have to say, this is the most violent and crazy looking supercell I've ever seen. This is what a supercell thunderstorm is supposed to look like. Beautiful, spectacular shelf cloud. Prettiest, craziest, ominous looking shelf cloud I've ever seen in my entire life in person. Tell them so I can get out of this for you guys. Supercells are the most deadly types of thunderstorms. They're not cyclonic, but they do rotate up in the atmosphere. And they're the ones that are most prone to produce severe weather. They're the strongest, most severe, and most deadly type of thunderstorm. They do have an area called a mesocyclone, which is cyclonic air mass. Cyclonic air mass cyclone within a supercell thunderstorm. This is the craziest supercell I've seen, at least in a long time. We got that green glow over it, over the shelf cloud right there. Just in case of ice in the storm. But it's also a sign that the storm is extremely violent. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing produces a tornado very soon. The storm is coming out of the northwest. This direction behind the tree lines over there, that's west. This is southwest. So this would probably be northwest. I've been in tornadoes before. I've never seen them, in person. It was too dark, but I've been in tornadoes before. I've had them touch down around me, and not if you get a tornado, just having a big old supercell over your head feels like you're mixing it up, and I like that a lot. I love studying weather. I don't do it, as a degree, but I do it as a hobby. These are the kind of thunderstorms I like to see, watch, film, and study. And we're in hurricane season now too, so I'm hoping, I'll eventually get to, see a hurricane soon. But I was further inland, so I'm basically safe. Yeah, shelf cloud's passing over now. So, it's about to get really, really windy. The severe thunderstorm warning I got says that look how crazy that green glow is in there. The severe thunderstorm warning I got says it has 60 mile per hour wind gusts, 60 mile per hour winds, which is common for a supercell, common wind speed for a supercell. And I believe it said it had nickel size hail, I believe is what it said to hail with it. I haven't felt any hail yet, so this thing definitely has enough energy in it to produce a tornado. Coming over my house now. Here comes the rain too. See if I can get under here so I don't get wet. Here comes the wind and the rain. Oh, it's blowing me. Violent supercell. Try to get over here away so I don't get wet. Got really gray now, but the rain started. This is a spectacular supercell. Craziest supercell I've ever seen in my entire life. One of the craziest anyway. One of the prettiest and ominous, one of the most prettiest and ominous looking supercells I've ever seen too. So I could just calm down for a little bit. Hopefully we're not going back right out of a tornado. They say, it gets really, really calm before a tornado. So hopefully that's not what's about ready to happen. But I have a feeling, this thing definitely has potential in it to produce a tornado. Just enough energy in it for a tornado. Actually, just was funny. There was some lightning. It's funny. Just a few minutes ago, I was, I came back from work, and I saw some trees that were ripped over and completely snapped off from winds from a supercell that came through last month. Trying to say, hold on, the wind got fogged up, hold on. I'm trying to, there we go. I'm trying to, I'm gonna have to end this for you guys real shortly. But, yeah. One of this guy's at 10 minutes and 30 seconds. I'll try to go for you guys. If you guys liked the video, if you guys liked it, be sure to leave a thumbs up, like it. Don't, leave your comments down below. Leave your comments down below and, subscribe. It'll help me a lot. You can reach at least 100 subscribers. So let's set a goal for the 100 subscribers. Yeah, I gotta go now, guys. I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.